Hello and welcome to this webinar, guys. We are live and I'm so happy. I'm really happy to announce you today all the huge updates, all the huge news that we delivered on the last weekend in our Europe event, and it was amazing. I get such a great feedback after the event. So um, nearly all of our team members were there, also our CTO, CSO, and like I told, nearly all team members were there. Everyone could saw us, and we announced so big news that will come, our next products and so on. And some of them, or the new features, the new product, I will deliver you right now in this webinar. So please stay until the end of this webinar. I think it will be a bit longer webinar. Maybe it will take up to 1 hour. But please stay in this webinar. It's very important. Please take your seat, take your smartphone off, okay, and listen now to this webinar. It's very important. And I see here we have people from Vietnam, India, Russia, Ukraine. Amazing. So I will check also the sound. So you should also hear me very well. Oh yeah, also greetings from Los Angeles. Very nice. Greetings to you, Verlin. So I would say I start straight away with the great news, and will share my screen. So we will start first with the future strategy. I will share it with you. Then I will show you the Peak DeFi wallet and the new features of it. So I will also go into the new app, and I will at the end deliver our new next product, the Peak DeFi Fund. Okay, so these three things I will share with you now. So and here you also just want to show you shortly. Here is our Instagram account, and here you see some of the leaders from the last event, and you see many people on stage, and we had nearly 250 people there, and I'm so proud of, because during the pandemic times, I think it was very good to have such an event. Okay, so now I go directly into the presentation. And like I told, first I want to share with you our new Peak ecosystem. So I want to share with you the future strategy. Okay, so first of all, you need to know that MarketPeak is our first product. We have this product since May of 2019, so nearly 1.5 years. And MarketPeak, what we recognize, so because we are in the product fit phase, and in the product fit phase, we realized what the people really want on MarketPeak, and what is the real target group on MarketPeak. And on MarketPeak, we decided that most of the people want education, they want the software that minting the Peak token, and they want the affiliate program. So therefore, in future, our MarketPeak platform will be an education, software, and affiliate platform. And what we also realized is that the target group here are newbies and not crypto-related people. So everyone who is at the beginning, who maybe want to earn money, or who maybe want to earn more about cryptocurrency and blockchain, is welcome to join MarketPeak. Okay, so therefore we working since 1.5 years here, and will also work in the future years. Okay, and how we deliver here the community growth. So the most of the community growth comes by organic, and soon we will do more and more paid traffic, and because because now we know exact our target group. We already tested many Facebook ads and Google ads, and now we will scale more and more in the next months and deliver and bring more traffic to MarketPeak. Okay, so and the second pillar that we have on our Peak ecosystem is our Peak DeFi wallet app. Okay, and the Peak DeFi wallet app, it's our DeFi app that I will show you later, that works on the Ethereum blockchain. And here our target group is already more crypto related. So here are the crypto enthusiasts and more crypto experts, because you already need to know what is a blockchain, especially what is a Ethereum blockchain, how I can send tokens, how I can receive tokens, how I use my private key, and so on. So here you need already be a bit more crypto related, and therefore this is so our second pillar, our second product that we have. And the great thing is all the people that coming to MarketPeak is until they so they start to learn more about crypto, and then they start to download our Peak DeFi wallet app. So that's one of the flows that we have here. Okay, so and the next product that we have is our Peak DeFi fund, so peakdefi.com, and I will also show you later the product. Okay, and here also we have our target group, who are crypto related people and experts. Yeah, so here you also need to know more about the Ethereum blockchain. You need to know how you can use MetaMask, how you can use Wallet Connect service, and so on. So therefore you need also be crypto related here. And again, and all this you also learn on MarketPeak if you're a newbie, and therefore from there the people also start to invest. Okay, and of course we also will have organic growth by the DeFi hype that we have right now. So already crypto related people and crypto experts, they don't need MarketPeak. Yeah, they just go directly into peakdefi.com or into the Peak DeFi wallet app. Okay, and there we will have an organic growth by the DeFi hype, by partnerships, by the community, and by the crypto market, and even more. Also, of course, we will do paid traffic and many more stuff. Yeah, so and that's the thing, what we do. So these are the three pillars, the three products that we will focus on in the future. And this is our ecosystem, and this is our strategy for the next months, for the next years, to optimize more and more these three products. And what is our USP? Yeah, what is the big advantage of it? And the big advantage compared to 90% of other DeFi projects is that we have a community-driven business concept with MarketPeak, and therefore we can scale much faster a larger community, which will then move more and more to the Peak DeFi products. Okay, so I hope you realize it, because we do with MarketPeak a great basis, a great ground, a great fundament. Okay, and because we teaching, so we pick up, or we pick up the mass. Yeah, because the crypto related people, it's only a small group, but the mass, so all the other people who don't know even about cryptocurrency and blockchain, who explains them how blockchain and crypto works, who explains them. Yeah, and that's the job of MarketPeak. We educating them, we deliver them opportunities with our affiliate platform, and we delivering software which they also can use. Yeah, and therefore MarketPeak is the basis, and then we go out to the more crypto related products, that is Peak DeFi and the Peak DeFi wallet app. Okay, I hope you got the idea. So, and you got the very important message that what MarketPeak is doing, and also of course the other products. Okay, so this will be our future strategy, and it's very important to understand it. Okay, And right now, I want now to share with you the next slide. So if you have any questions, you can ask me at the end, or you can write now down in the comments in the chat, and I will take a look. I will take later a look on it. And now I want to present to you our newest product. Okay, so the newest product that we launched since August, so last month that we launched, and this is our Peak DeFi wallet app. Yeah, and it's right now already released on the App Store for iOS and on the Google Play Store for all Android devices. So and that's not even easy. Yeah, it's not just that easy to announce or to deliver an app on Apple App Store, and especially if it's crypto related. And so you see how much effort we put in it and how serious this stuff is, and what you can do with the app, or what is the app. So before I show you directly my smartphone, I want just to go through the functions. So it's a native in wallet app. Yeah, native means it's not just a website that is implemented into an app. It's really native fluently. The UI is amazing. So you will see it when I share my screen. And what you can do there, you can create and import an Ethereum wallet. So you can import your existing Ethereum wallet by seed phrase or implementing your private key. Okay. And very important is our security. So only you have access to your assets, not us and not anyone else. So that's very important. It's completely decentralized. Okay, it's completely decentralized. It's everything on the blockchain. We nothing we can nothing see there or withdraw, or we have no control in any moment. That's very, very important. Okay, and also it's specialized for DeFi, because there are many wallets out there, but they are not specialized for DeFi. So you can see already your lending positions. You can see your I don't know. You can see your trading positions or something else that you did in the DeFi space. So that's also very important. That's different from other wallets that we have. Okay, and also of course you can check your tokens and your collectibles. That you have also in other apps. Also, you have an overview of your transactions, and you can also check your portfolio in US dollar and Ethereum. It's also like a tracking wallet for your wallet that you implement. And you can earn passive income by DeFi apps, and that will coming soon. So in future we will also implement a DeFi tab, and there we will implement DeFi projects. So DeFi dApps like MakerDAO, like Compound, like Synthetics, and other stuff. And of course, also our Peak DeFi fund, we will also implement there, and also our Peak staking, and also other staking stuff from other protocols we will also implement there. So it's really for everyone. It's not only for the Peak community, it's really for everyone in the crypto space. Very, very interesting. And also, and also you can send and receive tokens. Okay, so that's of course you also need to do. Also, you can manage your transaction costs. You can use your QR code. So it's also possible if you have a merchant store or something else. So you can also use you can use QR code. And our Peak DeFi app is already ready in 4 languages. So we already have English, Russian, Vietnamese, and Chinese. Okay, so this is already finished. Okay, guys, this is already finished. And before I go to our highlight, here you see also a screenshot from the App Store. So you can just go to the Play Store or to the App Store and download the app for free. So you need nothing to pay. It's completely for free. So go to the App Store or to the Play Store and download the Peak DeFi wallet. Just search Peak DeFi wallet and then you can download it. Okay, and now our highlight for today for the Peak DeFi wallet app. Yeah, so I showed at the event that we have an integrated decentralized exchange, guys. Yeah, that's what I want to show you today. I have it already in my test application. So the integrated decentralized exchange will come next week. Okay, it will come next week. I wanted to launch it at the end of this week, but we are still not finalized it. But next week it will be finished. But I already have the integrated decentralized exchange on my test Peak DeFi wallet app, and we just need to fix some small bugs. And next week we will launch it on the normal version. Okay, and this I will show you right now. Okay, and before I start to show you, I want also surprise you with something. And because we also were finished on the event with our new promotion video of the Peak DeFi wallet app, and I want, of course, to show you right now the new promotion video. And meanwhile, I connect my smartphone with my with my laptop. So enjoy the video.
Introducing the Peak DeFi Wallet app, a new and innovative mobile app for all of your crypto businesses, available on Android and iOS. This app is the one-stop solution for taking control of your decentralized finances. On this app, you can create a new Ethereum wallet, import your existing Ethereum wallet by seed phrase or private key, send and receive your crypto assets, swap your tokens instantly through integrated DEX, earn passive income by using DeFi applications, monitor your tokens, your transactions, and your DeFi positions. You can also see your transaction overviews and check your portfolio value in USD and ETH. Unlike others, the app has an intuitive design and a user-friendly interface, which makes it fast and extremely easy to use. You can use the app to scan QR codes with your phone camera and make payment in stores. Also, the app is available in multiple different languages and guaranteed to get updates regularly. Download the Peak DeFi Wallet app on the Google Play Store or iOS App Store for free today.
Yeah, I hope you like the video, the promotion video. Please comment and like our webinar right now if you like this video. So now I go off from the screen sharing, and I want to show you right now the Peak DeFi wallet app. So yeah, you should see now my smartphone, so the screen of my smartphone. And now I start the Peak DeFi wallet. So you see I need to also scan my face. It's also implemented. And now you see here the dashboard or the start screen of the Peak DeFi if you already have a wallet. So I imported my existing wallet here, and I just want to show you the functions, and at the end I show you the integrated DEX. Okay, so you see here your portfolio. Yeah, you see how much you get, how much profit or losses you did in the last 24 hours. And also you can by clicking the amount, you can change between, you can change your check your portfolio by US dollar or Ethereum. Yeah, you can also just copy your address if you want. And also you see here your whole portfolio. Yeah, for example, if I go now to Aave, yeah, I see here all my last transactions. I can click on token info, and I have all the information about this token on one view. You can check the white paper, the Twitter account, Telegram, Reddit, and so on. So it's amazing. Okay, and yeah, also you can check other stuff. Yeah, for example, you can also here see the last transactions. And of course, you can also yeah, see collectibles. I don't have now collectibles. And if you want to send some tokens, yeah, you can now, for example, implement an Ethereum address. For example, you can type here something, or you can click on the QR code, and then you can scan a QR code to send money to to send the tokens to another address, or to pay something. Also, you can check here the amount by you can type here the amount, or you can type the maximum amount. You can also change between the screen between the gas costs, so you can manage your gas codes by swiping here this transaction speed. So also amazing, yeah. And also, if I go back, you can also, if you click on receive, you can just copy the address, or you can just send receiving tokens or Ethereum by giving your QR code, or you can just type an amount. For example, if someone paying for you $100 for food or something else, then you click on OK, and then the QR code is also switching. So, and this already all working. What I show you, it's already working in the original version that we have right now, that already is finished. Okay, so that is already ready. Okay, and yeah, so also here you can change between different languages. So if I click now on Russian, you see everything is in Russian right now. And yeah, now I go back to English. And now I want to, so also here you can change your PIN, you can see your private key, you can directly go to Etherscan, and so on. Okay, and now I want to show you this highlight today. It's our integrated exchange. So if I click below on the right corner, I click on exchange, you see here the exchange is already nearly finished. Yeah, so I can, for example, now choose wrap Bitcoin. Okay. Oh, it's something wrong. Wait a second. So wrap Bitcoin. So now I have wrap Bitcoin, and I can now, and if I, for example, want now change wrap 0.01 wrap Bitcoin, and you see it's loading a bit, and then you can now straight away I can change it to Ethereum. Also, I can pick between all other tokens. You see there are so many tokens, so you can choose between many of tokens. So there are thousands of them, and you can also type the smart contract address if you don't find the token. Okay, and yeah, so as soon if you have your pairs that you want to change, yeah, then you see below the slippage, you see the gas price, and then the only thing that you need to do is to click on swap. Yeah, and then it's loading a bit. Yeah, and now you can see here, okay, do you want to confirm the swap? Right now we have amazing huge gas costs. We have today critical huge gas costs, but therefore you see they're estimated $25. So I will not swap now, but then you just need to click on confirm, and then your swap is done. Yeah, it's amazing. You need to understand that we have an integrated DEX in our wallet. That's so huge, yeah, guys, and we will have it in the next week. Okay, that's not just a small thing. It's amazing. Okay, and completely non-custody. So everything, you have always 100% control of your assets. That's very, very important. Okay, yeah, and that's it. And also I want to show you the other version. So also I can go now to log out. I can now log out. So I go out of the app, and now I want to show you how to create a wallet. So also you can do you can make a watch mode. Yeah, so if you do watch mode, you can implement any public address, and and just track them, but you then cannot receive or sending anything. Yeah, but if you want to create a wallet, I want just show you how you on time create a real wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so I click on create wallet. Now you can type a pin, so 1 2 3 5 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now you see the wallet is creating. Okay, and it takes only a few seconds. So it was only 5 seconds, correct? And now you have your new wallet. Okay, so it's empty, so it's new. And now see the following. I just copied the address right now. So you see I copied the new address just to show you a proof. Yeah, now I go to EtherScan. Okay, EtherScan is the explorer of Ethereum. Okay, and now I paste the address here inside. Okay, and you see the address is created on the Ethereum blockchain in only a few seconds. Yeah, so completely decentralized, guys. It's done by the app, so it's completely done. It's completely created through the app, but completely decentralized. That's very important. And now you have the control over this wallet because it's your private key and so on. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, I hope you understand how big this is and how yeah, what a nice product we have here. Okay, so yeah, and this is now I fully showed you what we have, what for functions we have in the Peak DeFi wallet, and I see the guys writing amazing, nice. So that's what we have here. Okay, now this was the Peak DeFi wallet. Okay, so this was our new product that's already live. You can download it now. And now, guys, now I want to show you the product where all people waited for, and this is the idea of the Peak DeFi wallet. Okay, so really take a seat. Yeah. So I hope do you see my screen? Yeah, now you should see my screen, correct. So now I want to show you our Peak DeFi wallet. So let's start. And yeah, let's start with our Peak DeFi fund, which we're working already since over 6 months. And it is a performance-based and permissionless managed decentralized fund driven by the community. I know it's a huge message, but you will now see how powerful this is. Okay, so first we need to know, let's talk about an investor. Yeah, what an investor, it's a person who delivers capital, and what he wants exactly. He wants maximum return on invest. That's what what he's interesting for. Okay, and it's not his job, not his or her job to know how. Yeah, he just wants the maximum return on invest, and he doesn't want to choose between hundreds of different possibilities. And that's what we saw already on MarketPeak. We had at the beginning 3 projects, yeah, and many of them only invested in one, yeah, because they just wanted this one that brought the most return of invest. Of course, they don't want it that the project, they don't care about, is this project green, or is this project a ground project or real estate project. They just want the maximum return on invest. I don't, it's not, of course, every investor, but most of the investors, over 90% of them, want just the maximum return on invest. And I think you agree with that, yeah? And out there, we have on my CoinMarketCap nearly 7,000 projects. So he don't want to choose between of them, okay? And on the other side, we have the fund managers, okay? And what can, fund managers are also traders. Okay, so traders, fund managers are the same. So to be clear, okay. And what are these for persons? Yeah, they have asset management skills, and they want maximum commissions for their results. Yeah, and they have the expertise to maximize the return. Okay, and what do they don't want? They doesn't want to search for new clients and bother with old clients. So that's not their job. They are not salespeople. Yeah, they just want to do trading, to manage the funds, and to maximize the return, and to get, of course, commissions. Okay, and therefore the solution is to create with Peak DeFi a decentralized global asset management fund created to grow wealth, fully autonomous and proven by the law of the blockchain. Okay, and the investors stay always in control of the capital and automatically optimized fund distribution to maximize profit, and they just need to invest and relax. Okay, side, the managers can build their reputation to earn a fortune, and they don't there's no acquisition of new clients needed. Okay, because of the Peak DeFi fund, we will take care of that. So because it will self care of that, many clients will come, and I will show you later how. And the fund managers only needs to focus they can do 100% focus only on the trading. That's very important. Yeah, so we have one fund for all, transparent to all, governed by all, to reach the peak of the markets. Okay, and to explain you more how it works, so you see on the left side all the investors, they are all anonymous. So you see they have a Ethereum address. Yeah, through their Ethereum address they can invest with over 70 plus assets. So they can invest with Ethereum, they can invest with BAT token, they can invest Maker token, they can invest with Compound token, or many other tokens. Yeah, and what happens then? They investing with the tokens, and also very important, there is no limit. So they can invest $1 or 0.1 Ethereum or 50 cent or $10 or $100,000. So there's no limit downwards and no limit upwards. Okay, and after they invest, we integrated the protocol of 1inch, which is changing then the assets to USDC, and then the USDC landing the global fund of Peak DeFi, and it's completely managed by the smart contract. So then the USDC are the assets under management. So the assets under management converted in USDC. Okay, so these are the investments, and everything is managed. So everything what you see here is completely driven by the smart contract. Okay, so the investors can invest anytime, and after that they get a global fund shares. Yeah, so that represents that they can receive the profits. Yeah, and the fund shares are not tradable. Yeah, and like I told you, the Ethereum or 70 plus assets will be converted to USDC. On the other side, we have the fund managers, and they are also anonymous by their Ethereum address. They can connect, they can join as fund manager the platform. And we had here at the beginning some obstacles. So how we can manage a decentralized fund. So this fund that will be managed by many managers. Okay, so we had some questions like, how is the distribution of AUM, so assets under management? Which manager get how much from the pot, from the fund? Yeah, how we can handling good and bad managers, and how we treat sleepy managers. So these are obstacles that we had at the beginning, and the solution is that the fund managers, the traders, needs to stake the Peak token, and also need to buy a reputation token. Okay, that's very important. And the reputation token determine the AUM size of each trader. Okay, so you need to understand the reputation token are used to open and manage trades. Okay, and profits increase the amount of their reputation, of the reputation token, and therefore their and also the size of the AUM. Okay, and losses decrease the amount of the reputation token, and therefore the size of the AUM. So that means if we have a good trader that which performance is great, then he get more and more from the global fund that he can manage. If we had a bad trader with bad results, he get more and more less from the investment fund that he can manage. And that's the key, guys. And in long term, it will be a performance-based decentralized fund, because only in the long term, or not even in the long term, only the best traders will stay on the platform or will get the most fund of the most of the fund, and therefore only the best traders will manage the fund, who mostly always profitable. Okay, I hope you got this amazing idea. Okay, and also the reputation token is not tradable. Okay, and yeah, and after a cycle, so one trading cycle goes around 60 days. Yeah, so after a trading cycle, the profits are automatically distributed between the investors, fund managers, and the affiliates. Okay, so again, it's completely automized by the smart contract. Okay, so I hope you realize. I know it's very technical, but this is the product that we will launching soon. And again, I want to show you a comparison between traditional finance versus decentralized finance funds. Okay, so in the traditional, so you need to understand in which niche we are. Yeah, so we have traditional hedge funds on one side, and on the other side we have a performance-based DeFi fund. Okay, so first on the left side we have centralized. It's a centralized hedge fund and mostly one entity behind it. On the other side, we have a decentralized fund where there's no middleman behind it. Okay. On the left, we have it always, and at the traditional, we have always upfront fees before the investment even starts for the managers and so on. On the right side, we don't have upfront fees. There, you're paying only the gas costs. Okay. Then on the left, you have mostly one trading strategy by one entity. On the right, you have many traders. It could be thousands of traders in there after some months, and all the traders have different strategies. Okay, and only the best traders get the most AUM to trade. Okay. On the left, in the traditional business, we have traditional hedge funds. We have less transparency about all executed trades. On the DeFi, we have a completely transparent by the Ethereum blockchain. So you see every trade on the Ethereum blockchain. And on the traditional, you have mostly or generally a higher fee structure due to bureaucracy and employees. And on the DeFi, you have less fees because of full automation. Okay. So this is the big difference for the future. And therefore, for the future, it's not only a DeFi hype, it's real. We have a real use case that we're solving. We have many advantages compared to the traditional hedge funds, and therefore in the next months, in the next years, more and more people will realize that DeFi funds are better than traditional hedge funds. Yeah, you need to realize. And how many dollars are invested in traditional hedge funds? There are trillions of dollars in traditional of hedge funds. So if we get one piece of cake of it, yeah, it will be already some $1 billion. Yeah, and that's what we're aiming for. So that's our niche, that's our product. Also, not ours, it's the product for the community. This is the smart contract that we want to deliver. Hope you got it. Yeah, hope you got it. And also we will have peak staking that I also already said you before, and it will also launch together with the DeFi fund. Yeah, and we will take 50% of the maximum peak token supply. It can be staked. Okay, so 5 billion peak token we take, and will be prepared in a smart contract for staking. Okay, so the earlier, the bigger, and there we have some features. The earlier you join, the bigger you join. So the earlier you stake, the bigger you stake, and the longer you stake, the more rewards you will get. So we have attractive rewards by a bigger and longer bonus. So for example, if you stake 10,000 peak token for 100 days, there maybe you will there get around, I don't know, 50, 60% in a year. But if you stake, I don't know, 100,000 peak token for 1,000 days, then you will get maybe 100% peak token staked in 1 year. Yeah, so we have their attractive rewards. Okay, and also the peak token staking is required for fund managers, like I told, to trade on the platform. And also the peak staking is required for getting more affiliate commissions. So also very important to understand. Yeah, and one important note: peak staking is not required for investors. So the less obstacle, because the less obstacles we have for the investor, the easier for him to join the DeFi fund. So we have no obstacles for the investor. That's very, very important. Okay, and yeah. So also we will have an attractive staking, which many people waited for. Yeah, and which possibilities the fund manager have, so, or the trader have. So he can trade between over 70 plus assets on the Ethereum blockchain. He can set limit orders. He can do long and short trading. In the first version, we will have they can do leverage trading, long short in X2. Okay, so in the next versions we will implement much higher leverages. But right now on the blockchain, I think that's quite good. And also we will deliver a peak DeFi API that will interact with the smart contract. So for very advanced traders, it's also possible to download a file locally of their on their laptop or on their device, and then they can interact with the smart contract and set trades from their device. So also very important to have, so that the traders also have very much tools, yeah, for them. And also I want to show you our integrated protocols, yeah, to achieve the best results. So in our peak DeFi wallet, in our peak DeFi fund, we integrated the Kyber network protocol. We integrated parts of the Uniswap protocol. We integrated parts of the 1inch protocol, and we integrated parts of the Compound protocol. Okay, and you know, they are big projects, and we integrated them in our peak DeFi platform. Okay, and now I have the best news for you. So we will do the smart contract security audit in October, and it will be done by QuantStamp. So you need to understand that we already right now finished with the smart contract, but we cannot launch the platform before it's not audited. Because we need to audit it. It's for your security. It's for us as security. And QuantStamp has so much of work right now, so that they could not start in September, and therefore they will start the audit at the end of September or at the beginning of October, and then they will be finished after 2 or 3 weeks audit. And then we need to fix the problems that will or the bugs that they will realize, and therefore we can then start the peak DeFi fund in November. Yeah. But you need to understand that QuantStamp, we of course could also hire another company for audit, but QuantStamp is the best one. You need to read about QuantStamp. QuantStamp audits audited in the past Ethereum 2.0. They audited Maker. They audited Binance. They audited, I think, also Compound. So they audited so many projects and so many protocols. So therefore, we also wanted that they audit us, and that's a huge move for us, huge move. And also the crypto community will realize that. I know that. So yeah, this is our product that we will launch in November. And yeah, and more things will coming soon. I also told at the event one thing, but I don't want to show you right now here in the webinar. I will show it in the next webinar. And also what I will show you in the next webinar is I will share with you maybe our back office. So I will show you already the Peak DeFi website. It's already also nearly finished. I will show you in the next webinar also the website of the Peak DeFi fund, how it will look like. And I already showed also some parts of it in the event. Yeah, but I don't want to explode this webinar, because if I start to show you the website, it will also take around 30 to 40 minutes. And yeah, so I will show you this in the next webinar, of course. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked how much. I hope you liked our next product, the Peak DeFi fund. So everything is set it up. We just need to wait a bit for the audit, and meanwhile we will improve the MarketPeak platform. Meanwhile, we will also improve or integrate the next functions for the Peak DeFi wallet. So like the integrated DEX we will do next week. We also working on it on the Peak DeFi wallet. We're working on an integration of Wallet Connect. So Wallet Connect is a integration where you can directly use your Peak DeFi wallet in future to work with other protocols. So that we will also integrate in the future. We will also integrate that you can soon buy with a credit card directly Ethereum or other tokens on the Peak DeFi app. So we will have a lot of features in the future, a lot of new products. And yeah, so I hope you liked it. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I just checking the comments. Yeah, you're going crazy. So yeah, leave a like, share the video with your partners and with your guests. And yeah, we see us in the next webinar. And yeah, see you soon. Wish you a great day, a great evening, a great morning. And yeah, looking forward for an amazing future, and that more and more countries joining us. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye, your Sergey.